Mocha fam, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel or watching this video, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my videos. Okay guys, so let's jump into today's video. Today's video, I'm not doing a perm rod set, I'm not doing a flexi rod set, I'm not doing braid outs. You're like, okay, what you doing then, sis? Okay, so today I am putting in these crimpers that I purchased from Amazon. And if you're OG fam, Mocha fam, then you know that I do have a video on me putting these crimpers in my hair. So I wanted to bring them back. I really haven't seen anyone using these and I feel like you should. Like, I love these. I love the results of my hair. Like, it gives like that wavy, curly look. Like, it's amazing. Amazing results. So I have to bring it back. I haven't did it since last year and I'm bringing it back and I want to show you guys since my audience is a little bigger now and you can see what I'm talking about. So last year I also, well, these are the ones I purchased from Amazon and they look smaller. So I feel like, I'm like, what are these? What are these? So these are the ones that I purchased from the beauty supply store. That's how I actually found out about them. And they're actually longer. And I love that it's longer because you don't have to apply so many to your hair. Because I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. Because once it's in your hair is just stuck like that. And you'll see what I'm talking about. But that's another story. So applying these crimpers in my hair today. And stay tuned if you want to see the results of how this turns out. As y'all know, I've already did the whole wash day routine, deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner is in my head. So about to get started. So I purchased the Creme of Nature's Butter Blend and Flaxseed Double Duty Elongate Define. And if you know me, you know I got the shrinkage. So I'm like, who elongates? Yes, the shrinkage needs the elongation. So I'm like, okay. Let's try this out. Let's try this out. See how it smells. Whoa. Smells good. I like flaxseed seeds too. Get it nice and juicy. Smells really good too. So for this section, I'm just gonna do 3. I think that's pretty good. Yeah. That size, this size. I don't want it to be too big because if it's too big, the crimper will not close. Yeah, so I think that's pretty good once the cream is on there. Now I'm gonna take the crimper and it opens just like that. So what you do is take your hair, make sure it's all the way at the root. And that's why I said to you don't want the piece of your hair to be too thick. Make sure it's at the root and then press. Because if it's too thick, it'll do just what it's doing right now and won't close. Okay, it closed. It closed, y'all. This is a smaller one. And I'm just going to take that and go like this.
Yeah, sometimes when they say that, it's just trying to pay attention to the bottom.
Oh, wow. So this section is pretty thick and the red crimpers are just not working. So I'm just going to go in with this one. I had tested it out and it actually fits. So I wanted to save these for the front, but since this is working with this one, I'm going to just boom. Yeah, like that one. I'm like, okay. I didn't have to take all the rest of these out and try to even it out, even though I should have did that. That makes me feel a lot better. Really wanted to save these for the front, but whatever. Y'all, this is all that I have left. 1, 2, 3. And this much of my hair is left over. As you can see, I could have sworn I had some from last time. That's why I only had bought 2 packs of these, the little green ones. I have to improvise. About to improvise. Probably about to braid this one, put this one up there. I don't know. Just about to, I don't know. So as you can see, I'm over here improvising. I've already removed one of the little crimpers from the back and placed it in the front because I feel like the front matters more. And then as you see here, more improvising, I am taking the ends of my hair and folding it over the crimper and then placing the rubber band. And now I'm mad because after I recorded this video, that's when I decided to watch my video from last year. And I did so many different things that I'm doing now. So that video last year, I put more product in my hair. I also did a technique where I placed a clip at the top of my hair where the root is, and then the crimpers were coming towards the bottom. And that's how I did that. And I'm like, wow, why didn't I watch that before? I just thought I just knew how this is going to work this time. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I am done putting these crimpers in my hair. So I am trying to avoid sleeping in these. It's already 6 o'clock and my hair is not dry. You know, I just put these in. So I'm going to try to sit under the dryer for as long as I can so I don't have to sleep in these. But I think most likely I will because last time I did that, it was so uncomfortable. So, yeah, most likely I'm going to have to sleep in these if I want a successful turnout. Because I already feel like it's not because I didn't have a lot of crimpers. So I'm kind of a little disappointed about that. I thought I had enough, but it is what it is. We'll see how it turned out, guys. Stay tuned with me. Okay, guys, so it is the next day, and yes, unfortunately, I did have to sleep in these. And when I say uncomfortable, I mean uncomfortable. But my hair wasn't dry, so I did have to sleep in them, and I wanted to make sure they were fully dry before I took them out. So, sacrifice, y'all. As you can see, guys, I'm starting to remove the crimpers from my hair, and I'm starting to see those little waves, crimps form, and that's exactly why I love these crimpers. Besides the whole sleeping in them and the uncomfortableness, but I do love how these crimpers give my hair the waves that I like. I'm not really a big fan of wash and goes because my hair shrink up so much. And these crimpers along with the creams also give my hair the elongation and the stretch and also keep those crimps that I want. So that's why I prefer these over a wash and go. So all the crimpers are removed, y'all. So now it's time to separate. And when you separate, make sure you always have oil at the tip of your hand. So when you're separating, it does not cause frizz. And I'm only saying that because I was one of those that always separated and didn't have enough oil or just did not put oil. And I always created frizz or too much separation. So what I'm just doing here is just kind of taking the piece of the hair that's crimped and just separating gently. And that's how I'm going to create the little wave wash and go look. Okay, guys, so as you can see, this is the final results of my hair, and I do like how my hair came out. However, I like the results that I got with these crimpers last year. This year, how my hair came out is like I like it, but it's just like you know what I'm saying? I think it's because I didn't have enough crimpers. One, I had to improvise, and then at the ends, I had to kind of fold it. You saw I had to do with that, and then put the rubber band. So I think if I had enough crimpers, one, I think I wouldn't have this much frizz here. and then I will get the same results that I did last year. But other than that, I do like how my hair came out. It still has that little crimp look that I was going for, and it's banking. It's it's doing a little something. The only con that I will say, the little disclaimer, if you do want these crimpers, I would say to put these in your hair like early in the day and then sit under the dryer, because like me, I started around 5, got done around like close to 6 something, and my hair was not dry, so I had to sleep in them. And let me tell you, uncomfortable. Very uncomfortable. So like I said, if you want to try these out, disclaimer, do not sleep in them. I will put the link in the description below. They are the only little ones, and I don't know where the longer crimpers are. So I got it from my beauty supply store. I haven't found the longer ones, but if I do, I will put that in my link in my description below. I'll put the link in my description below. But I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to your girl channel.